Hello, I welcome you all once again to my channel. Today I'll show you the natural beauty of Mirik. So you guys enjoyed the video and I would like to tell you something about nature. Nature is natural environment which surround us, take care of us and nourishes us every moment. You would not survive on the earth without nature elements like air, land, water, fire and sky. Nowadays, only few of us have time to enjoy nature. With the increasing population and changing lifestyle, we forgot to enjoy nature and the thought to improve our health. We have started using technological instruments for our health fitness. Most of the writers have described the real beauty and advantage of the nature in their writings. Nature has ability to make our mind tension free and cure our disease. Nature has created everything very beautifully, seeing which our eyes can never get tired. But we forget that he too has some responsibility towards our nature. If you want to be happy and healthy, he should try our best to save our planet. Ultimately, we are the real user of the nature, so he should really take care of it. And thank you so much, and let's enjoy the video.